Today, we're going to learn
About numbers.
numbers.
Don't be lazy and stop.
Gusto niya ba makita sa video eh? Don't be lazy on stop. You should learn your numbers.
Don't. Just look at it. Look at it.
Bakit kami nakakabili dito ng vitamin dito?
Hey! Look at how much number. This is not even every number.
Si Papa, vitamin D ko.
There's 101, 102, and even infinite.
Infinite number, guys.
But that's not the biggest number.
Okay.
Infinite is not the biggest number.
Walang
Okay.
vitamin D.
But today, we are just going to learn the basic.
Let's go down, down, down. Yeah, nala, bababa ko muna.
Basic of numbers.
Ready, steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the basic. This is the half. Hindi ka marunong magtingnan. Ikaw yan.
Oh, go na. Go na.
Oh, oh,
Magdede ka dyan.
Ano to? Oh, anong number to?
Go.
Oh, wala.
Oh, wala. Oh, bilis na. Tapos na sa 10. Sunod na.
To the a bit half.
To a bit hard.
11, 12.
Ang sabi sa akin,
Oh,
Quiet na, Mia.
bilang mo, bilang mo, bilang mo.
11, 12. Oh, ano sunod, Mia?
Ato. Oh, hindi. Oh, ano to? Oh, ano to? Ha?
Oh, dede na lang siya.
Wala.
Dede lang si Mia. Huwag kang ingay dyan.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Gagawa ka lang din talaga na para magiging.
Alam! Napugkat ko ulit. Sige nga.
Oh, game na. 18.
Hindi! Hangin!
Ah, sige na. Go na.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Lookin niya yan.
30!
At Gigi nga.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
Isa ka ba
36,
uling mag-ano?
37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, halfway down. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60! Wait, I can do
Tapos na.
6.
Tapos na.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, almost there, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100!
Yung kanina ba?
100, guys. 100.
That's more, that's more.
There's more. Guys, let's check if Amir knows the addition.
Colors!
100 plus 300.
400.
Ilan?
400.
400. Naku. Gabi nun. 300 plus 1, 200.
300 plus 200?
Yeah.
500.
300 plus 400. That's so big.
Count. 4.
Kaya maingay pa.
Kaya nga eh.
300 plus 400.
Pero nag-send sa akin ng ano, ng resibo na
7.
Ilan? 7?
700.
700! Ang galing naman!
I need 300 minutes for that.
You need 300 minutes for that.
This is the next thing, okay? This is the next. This is the next.
Okay.
Let, colors oh, safe. I'm gonna go with the basics.
Basics, guys. Basics.
Oh,
Anong basic yan?
here's all the basics. This is the big house, and this is the big house, right? And this is impossible. Circle. This is circle. Circle, square, triangle, oval.
Okay.
Rectangle, pentagon,
Diamond.
diamond, and
Hexagon.
hexagon,
ilabas mo.
Parallelogram.
parallelogram, hexagon, and
Trapezoid.
quadrant.
Octagon.
Octagon. Oh, I mean, wait.
Octagon.
Is this octagon? No. This is good. Moon.
Mm-hmm. Cross.
Plus.
Arrow.
Oh.
Galing.
Now let's go to the colors.
Colors, guys. Colors.
This is the too basic, but this is too basic, but I will still go.
Too basic, ha?
Too basic. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, brown, gray, black, white, pink,
Anong color nun? Nasa baba ng yellow?
purple.
Violet.
Boop!
Oh, sige.
This is the most basic thing.
Basic nga yan, eh. Basic, eh.
Okay.
Oh, ano pa?
And now let's go to the house.
Ah, sige. Hard level, hard color. Ano yung hard color, anak?
Now you don't know what is cyan, right?
Ay, cyan. Pero alam mo yung cyan?
I know.
Hindi mo alam yun. Cyan, guys.
Cyan is lighter than light blue.
Okay. And is there any other color? Ano pa?
Wait, I need to think it again. Wait,
Magenta yata yon.
magenta!
What does magenta look like?
Close to pink, but even down ka.
Oh. Close to
Yellow.
pink.
Yellow and silver. That's magenta.
No, pink and even
That's science too. Metallic. Yellow and silver.
hindi. Black plus pink.
Mm-mm.
Pwede na ako mag-silver dito sa
Now the cow.
event.
Wait.
Transportation.
Pag nagtanggal na ako ng ngipin, tapos babalik ulit na.
Wait, I will go to the basics and I will go to the house.
Dito sa
Huwag maingay. Huwag maingay, Mia. Which transportation?
These are the basics.
Basic.
Taxi.
Naka-ride ka na sa taxi?
Taxi. And now helicopter. I never ride this. Boat. No.
rin kaya.
Plane. No. Bike. Yes. Bike.
Yes, bike.
And
What about
what cows?
Car?
That's only in the basics now.
Malaking
Bus?
Bus.
Have you ride in bus? Yes.
Ambulance.
Ambulance?
Fire truck.
Fire truck?
Di mo fire truck yan, boy.
Ano yan?
Van
Van.
lang yan eh.
Van lang yan, anak.
And
Truck.
truck.
Have you ride in this?
Yes.
What's
It's
that?
a train.
Train. And how is it? How was it?
Good.
Riding in the train?
What about the tricycle?
This.
This, oh, what's that?
Jeep. Tricycle.
Paglaki mo, anong bibili mo dyan?
Tricycle.
Definitely a ship.
Ship.
It costs
Ship
the
and
most.
helicopter.
It costs the most.
Mm.
That's why I ride.
Battleship, boy.
Bangka na lang yung
Do you think I look like soldier? Now here, the morning activity.
The morning activity. Kamaingay.
Ayun,
wake up and now pray
Pray, tama. Paggising, magpe-pray, tama.
and exercise
And exercise.
and eat,
Eat,
wash your
brush, tama.
and ligo,
And ligo. And always
wash your hands
wash your hands, guys.
and suot face mask
And wear face mask, guys.
and
Pray
pray again and now sleep.
and sleep. Okay, guys?
And it's not on. No, it's not on. Here are the animals. Total fish. This is the basics, okay? Total fish.
Bird.
But and to the a bit high level. But cow. Wait, is this cow or a buffalo? Cow or buffalo? Buffalo is buffalo animal here is the animal. But why? Although a cat and dog is not an animal. It's a pet. I need to. Yes. Tama ka. Uy, tayo kay. Mami, ano to? Oh, ano? Kalabaw, I mix it up. Cow? I mean kalabaw and cow and pig. Horse and goat and duck. Chicken and cat and dog. That's all for today, guys. 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 That's all for today, guys.
Tama na, pagpapawisan ka na yan. Tama na yan, ganyan.
That's all.
That's all. Off na.
It's first Nana make a tour of the house. The tour of the house. This is the place that I video. And this is my room. Okay, this is my room. This is my room. This is the and this is the normal room, and that's the bathroom, and that's upstairs. And this is Mama's tindahan.
Okay.
He's a bit busy. I mean
Sleep na,
busy.
matutulog na ako.
Wait, guys. Asan na yun?
Ayun na po, yun.
Tatlo.
Nandun sa bag ko. Ilagay ko dun sa bag.
Okay, wait na.
Ayun sa bag, yung toys mo.
Okay.
Tago mo na yun doon. I'm going to sleep na. Paano na?
Go, Fiver. Naka down, no?
And we still didn't walk on the weather. Here's all the weather.
Nagpuin mo kayo, no?
Cloudy, windy, rainy, lightningy, stormy, and that's all.
Kunin mo yung account number.
Okay? Let's go up. Playing time. Play.
Stop playing time. Sleep playing. Stop playing, ha? Sleeping, ha?
Okay, this is the mat. Ah!
Patakan mo muna yung mata ka.
Blah, 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 blah.